Good morning, Miss Ryals. It is Paladin here. I wanted to make this quick video to demonstrate for you how to use Google Drive. First, just so you know, I'm already signed into my work account here, um, which is also tied to Google. You can be signed into any type of Google accessible account, but just understand that you may not want it to be your personal account, or you may want it to be. Just know that, like, if you're going to be sharing files and links with students, they will be able to at least see your personal email address. I'm not saying that they'll be able to like do anything with that, but um, just know that whatever account you use to sign in and share the files, the students will be able to be connected with that, right? So I'm making sure that, like, here you see my personal account, I'm making sure that signed into my work account for the files that I'm going to upload, okay? So this is the Google homepage. I'm going to click on these 9 little dots here, and then I'm going to click on Drive, and it takes me to this screen, which you'll see I already have some files in here already. And let me do this. I'm gonna play around a little bit, and hopefully it'll help you see the different files that are available. So I'm gonna make a new folder. Hold on, let me show you. I clicked here for new, then I'm gonna click folder, but notice I can like upload a file or upload a whole folder. Um, Also, these are different Google Drive apps. I'll probably take you through, actually, I'm going to start a timer, and I'm going to try to do this whole thing in like 5 minutes. So give me a quick second to get my timer going. 0, 5, boom. Okay. So let me start by just making a careers in sports high school folder, and then I'm going to kind of play around in here for you. So you see here, this is where that folder is. I'm going to double click. And then let me also just make a Miss Ryals folder. Boom. And again, this is just kind of me playing around on the spot, trying to show you the different apps. So I'm going to go into your folder. And here, I'm going to do a file upload. And so I'm just gonna pick some random thing here. So I'm gonna upload this Excel document, and notice how it's already kind of uploaded that quick. Here it shows you the upload progress. Here we can see that it is uploaded already. And if I double click on this, then it kind of like opens the file in my computer screen. Google Drive also lets you, how do I say this? Most Microsoft Office documents, so whether it's, excuse me, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, um, those files can also be like opened in Google Drive. So I'm not going to show you that part just yet because that can get a little bit difficult. I'm going to go back to, help me go back. Go back, Google Drive. Sorry, I kind of lost it there. So let me just go back. Again, I'm going to click these dots, go to Drive. From here, I'm going to go to my Careers in Sports High School folder, my Miss Ryals folder. That file is still there. I'm just going to change the view so that it's not as big there. Boom, this is what I clicked. So notice I can upload one file at a time. I can also upload multiple files. I'm just going to like select these just so we can kind of like see how it goes. So here you see all of those files uploading. They upload pretty quick, especially if you have a quick internet connection. And so boom, all those files are there. I can also upload a folder. So I'm going to go to folder upload here. And let's see if I can find a folder. Maybe if I go to downloads, I may have a folder. Okay, these are like icons and stuff like that. The upload file. Sure, yes. And so here that whole folder is being uploaded. and we can kind of see the different, the number of files out of the folder that are being uploaded. If I double click this folder, PNG, we can see that the files are like being uploaded really quickly uh, from there, right? And so same thing as Microsoft Word, I can go back through the folders here. What else do I want to show you? I want to show you how to share. So how would I do this? Oh, so here I'm just right clicking on this file, and then it gives me a bunch of different options. So really the most important are the move options, so I can move it to different folders here, which I'm not going to do that right now. I can also share it. So I'm just going to share it with myself so you can see. So if I click this share here, I'm going to add my personal email address, paladinjordan@gmail.com, boom. And then that allows me to share this file with another email address. So you could share files with Miss Cologne, you could share them with your grade team or your content team, you could share them with your whole entire class, whatever is the most useful for you. And then you can also change the permission style. So let's say if you wanted to share it with Miss Cologne, wow, my time's running out. You could allow her to edit it or comment on it. If you wanted to share files with students, you could share it so they can only view the files and not edit them. And so I'm going to say view only, send, and then that file has just been shared with me on my personal email. I'm going to show you what the person who you shared it with gets. So this is my personal email right here. It's like super messy, but let's see, let me refresh. Boom. So this is the email right here. I'm going to click on it. That's my timer. And so here we see that that file that I uploaded has been shared with my personal email address. If I open, is it going to ask me for permission? Perfect. It's going to let me write in. And so then that file has been shared. So Google Drive is really just kind of like Microsoft Office, except it lives entirely online. Hopefully this helps a little bit. Um, Play around with it, test it out, and let me know what you think, okay? Have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.